In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 1v1 with your friends in Free Fire. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. What you have to do to play 1v1 with anyone on Free Fire is create a custom room. In order to create a custom room, you need to acquire one of these room cards. As you can see, there are various ways to get these room cards. I'm not going to go over all of them in this video, but some of them included going into the item shop and buying one from there, or using winner badges to purchase them. After you acquire them in any way, what you have to do is go over to the custom room window. So select custom and create a custom room. As you can see, you will be able to see the list of custom rooms currently created, and if you wish to make your own, if you have a room card, like I said, click create at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you select create, you will be able to change the parameters of the match, including setting up a password, the amount of people, etc. Select invite friend at the bottom, and you will be able to invite any friends you have to join the party you've just made. As long as everyone is in, you will be able to select the start button and do your 1v1s as you wish. All you need, like I said, is access to a room card. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 with friends in Free Fire. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.